So have you just got a brand new iPhone 17 Pro, Air or Pro Max, and the one thing you don't want is getting that screen damaged. Now we've seen how susceptible the back material is to getting damaged with them reverting back to aluminium. That's something I don't want to do. So if you use your iPhone 17 without a case, good luck to you. Now when it comes to the front screen, Apple did say we've got Ceramic Shield 2 now. Even though you get stronger resistance against damage in terms of cracks and scratches, I personally can't use my phone without a screen protector, and it's been bugging me for the last couple of days because I've been wanting to make this video. So I have been using it without a screen protector and it has been killing me. Finally, we're going to do the installation today. Now I made a video last year, you might have seen on the channel if you've been a subscriber that far back, with the easiest screen protector installation I've done to date. And honestly, it took under 5 minutes from the unboxing to installing the screen protector to having it completely done. And it's so easy, anybody can do it. So no longer do you have to go look for someone that is a professional at installing screen protectors. You can do it all by yourself. Now, although last year when I did it for the 16 Pro, it was the same product, but now they've improved it. So now this is the ESR Ultra Fit Armorite Pro screen protector. It's glass by Corning, which is a good thing. And it's 10 times stronger than the generic screen protector, all in that easy installation package. So let's unbox it. Links for it will be in the description box below, and I'll show you how to install it to get your iPhone 17 protected. So here we've got my Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro, and the screen, as you can probably see, is not the cleanest, but we are going to clean it. I'm sure you get some cleaning supplies in the actual box. So let's open this up. So we have the installation actual tool, and then inside we have this bag first. So let's open up this bag quickly. I can already see you get a nice quality squeegee, which is always a good thing. Here is basically the stuff we're going to need: wet wipe, cleaning cloth, dust removal stickers. Hopefully we don't need the dust removal stickers. So let's clean the screen first. But before we actually clean the screen, I just want to show you that you do actually get 3 screen protectors in here. So purchasing one of these, even if you have multiple people in the house with the iPhone 17 Pro, you can install it for everyone essentially, just from one purchase. So clean the screen. Now ideally, you would be installing this when you've got your iPhones. All you do is take off that sticker you get in the actual box that's on the phone, and then put it in the installation. Now I've been using the phone for a couple of days, so it has got some fingerprints and whatnot on it. Nothing, some wet wipes can't clean though. So wet wipes done. Now cleaning cloth just to dry it up and make sure everything is clean. And after you've done that, it should look, you can see, it looks fairly clean. Yeah, so we put the phone face down on top of this, just like that. This little ring is going to apply pressure to the back to make sure it applies evenly. Now, simply close it, and in 3, 2, 1, pull it out. And I'll give it about a couple of seconds just to use that pressure to adhere the screen to the actual phone. And then once we open it up, take the phone out. It will peel the protective section off. And I would say that is essentially perfect. Now we have some stuff on the edges. That's what the squeegee is for. All you have to do is just go around, as you can see, just right there. But once you go around with the squeegee, it's perfectly fine. And there you go, live on camera. You saw me do it. It's installed and looks absolutely perfect. Feels just like real glass, so shouldn't have any issues with that. And like I said, it took like, what was it, like 10 seconds to install once you actually put the actual phone in there. And then you've got an additional 2 which you can install, either keep to yourself as extras or install it, keep them stored in there. And then when you want to use them either for yourself or for somebody else, either a family member or friend, you can take it out and install it for them as well. Now, as well as providing protection, this screen protector should also give you that anti-reflective up to about, I think, 30-40%, which is an added bonus. So yeah, if you want to grab yourself one, links will be in the description box below. And like I said, this is the top of the range one they do with the most protection. They do have other models which offer slightly less protection for a little bit less money. So guys, that was the Ultra Fit Armorite Pro screen protector by ESR. Now I told you it was a super easy installation, something I think everybody can do, and you saw me do it in under about 10 seconds. Super easy and super strong. You get, it says on the side, 25% reduction in scratch visibility up to 2 times better scratch performance. So rest assured, with the screen protector on, your phone should be pretty protected. Now that I've got the screen protector on the front, I need to protect the back because of Scratchgate, and I'm sure you're all aware. And the case I've been using recently, and I really like it, is the classic hybrid case by ESR with that stash stand. That gives it just a little bit more versatility, because then I can pull the stash stand out, use it to prop my phone up if I want, and then where the camera section is, you get, let me show you, a whole bunch of protection for the whole back. So really good case, and because I've got the orange phone, I want to show off that color. So when I do put the phone in there, it's fully visible. So links for everything, description box below if you want to grab yourself this. Remember to subscribe if this video helped you. I hope it's a lot easier now after watching this video to install your own screen protector, and a lot of people out there are worried, think it's a hard thing to do. It's honestly not. It used to be before we had these easy installation packs. Now anybody can do it. So yeah, if you like the video, do like it, subscribe to the channel because every subscriber matters. Leave any questions down below if you have anything you want to ask, and remember to share this video to friends and family. Also, there's this new thing YouTube are doing which is called hype. So if you're watching this video and you see underneath the video an option to hype it, sometimes you have to swipe from the comments. Do press that button, as it does help push the video out to more people, and anything we can do to push the video out to more people is always a good thing. So I will catch you on the next one. Remember to tune in for more Apple content coming very soon.